Let's now deal with the contact form on my article page. First, I select the form from the tree, then I name it. I add the form Smart Action. I set the form ID. I prefer to receive emails, so I check the Send to Email option. I set the Success Message element selector. This element is part of the Webflow template. This is the element that will be displayed when the form is successfully activated. The same way, I set the Error element selector. This is the element that will be displayed if there is a problem with sending the form. And that's it, my form is ready. I save, then export the theme. From my local WordPress, let's verify that everything is OK. I enter my email. I validate the form, and I see the success message. As the form admin, I check my mailbox, and I see that I have received the contact form.